Hi everybody and welcome to Survival Dads. So today we're taking a look at this and also this guy, and these are the NV-20, which is the compass necklace, and the NV-20K, which is this, which is the pocket or the zip compass. So I'm going to give you a couple of specs about them, tell them why I think they're useful, and kind of show it in action and test it out with my Garmin Phoenix to kind of show you how accurate it can be. So stick around and let's take a look at another great product from Polymath Products. 2 is 1, 1 is none. Okay, so simply the NV-20 is a pocket or pocketable or wearable compass that is a really good backup to your primary navigational aid. So obviously with a compass you can help find your way and, you know, reach safety or just reach it to the pub in time. So having a backup, the old adage 1 is none and 2 is 1, I think is very relevant here. This is so small and so light, you can have it on you or have it in your pocket and you're not going to know it's there. So get one, put it on your bag, put it in your pocket, or wear it around your neck, and you've always got it there should you need it. So as I mentioned, it can be worn easily around the neck, which allows you just to quick checks every now and again as you're walking along, and then as you get to certain landmarks you can obviously do your primary route checking, but you know, just keeps you on track nicely. So it is shockproof and it is a military grade compass, and it does have a luminescent dial, so this does glow in the dark. It can be charged with daylight, or if you want to give it a blast with a torch you can do, and that will be glowing nicely for hours. If I switch it around, you also have a you also have a photoluminescent back to it as well, and you can actually use this to read maps, use it as a personal identifier beacon or marker, and yeah, basically provide that illumination, and it does last a very long time. So if it's hanging on the outside of your backpack or it's around your neck, just have it out in the sun as you're walking along, and as day becomes night you'll be able to use it as a extra aid to help you get around. So obviously it's not going to light up your path, but it can be used for taking notes and reading maps and things like that. So a really neat feature. So like all of Polymath products, if they have something that glows, I don't know what they use. I've been assured it is safe. It's not actually radioactive or anything, but it actually provides a great deal of light and it does last a really long time. I haven't known any other products that are as good as what they do when it comes to glow in the dark. And if you've been a fan or a follower of the channel for a while now, you will know that I do love my glow in the dark. I live for it. When I die, I do want a glow in the dark coffin if possible. So loved ones, if you're watching this, please take note. I should also note that it is oil and seawater resistant TPU construction, so it's going to be rugged and it's going to stand the test of time in pretty much whatever environment you can throw it at. I'll kind of give you a closer look. So obviously it is the zip or keychain version. And then we have the necklace version. So they are the same units, nice and strong, nice and rugged. Both have the marker on the back, which I'll demonstrate shortly once it gets a little bit darker, hopefully. So there you have it, the NV-20 and the NV-20K from Polymath Products. As always, I'll leave the relevant links in the description below. Absolutely adore and love Polymath Products. They're a great bunch of people and they're very good at what they do. Always innovating, always striving to get better and better. Their products just keep getting better. Every iteration that they release, it's better. Even though it's perfect to begin with. I don't know how they do it. Anyway, check them out. NV-20 and NV-20K. This is the K, which is the zipper pull version. and this is the NV-20, which is the necklace version. Check them out, show them some love, and as always, stay safe and have fun.